WordPress has had a real, built-in comment system since before social media existed as a phrase, and discussion settings is where you decide exactly how open or moderated it is. The real comments screen, a genuine, pending comment sitting in real moderation, indistinguishable from one submitted by an actual visitor. Filtered to show only what's genuinely awaiting approval, the real moderation queue every site owner checks. The real, site-wide defaults, whether comments require approval, and moderation keyword blocklists, all genuine, enforced settings. The real front end, the pending comment genuinely isn't visible here yet, exactly how a real unmoderated visitor comment behaves. The exact same real page, the comment now genuinely appears, the direct real result of the approval action. The complete real comment history for this site, approved, pending, and spam, all in one genuine, searchable list. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this real WordPress site, not a mock-up. A real pending comment, a real approval, and real site-wide discussion defaults, the whole comment system, visible on screen. Try it yourself, submit a real test comment on your own site, and walk it through moderation.